So,
you gotta return all the underwear I bought. None of it fits. We bought such tiny underwear. I guess it was in the kids section.
and that's what that red dot means.
Fuck ass.
Going to the We're gonna mix some fucking treehouses!
It's gonna look real cool. How to, by the time we finish it, lay a hearth. It will be hot out. I don't know.
The wine area, I think.
Here's how you undo the battery.
I don't know how to do it.
It's very fun.
So pretty it could be a watercolor painting in a regional bank.
Tyler ripped his pants.
Face Clayton.
Oh, Clayton, he doesn't have feet anymore.
If this is our last record, just like
Mama rock me.
Goose. It's actually quite nice. It's really fun.
Charlie! Happy birthday.
A shitty fire.
This will become a hearth.
We're doing a fine job. My bad. It's my birthday. Route 2015. Woo! Shirt works.